Apex Legends Void Reckoning Collection event is finally here, and I think that this season I'm not gonna spend any money. I am done giving EA my precious dollars. Don't judge me. I want it. Oh, it's a legendary. I told you. Oh, bro, the second pack. Are you serious? What the Sigma? You gotta give me a legendary, Croy. I'm gonna shoot. Bro, okay. That's actually kind of key. What I just said, the Wattson skin, just like 4 Apex packs. If I don't get a legendary, if I get an heirloom, you only see an Apex content. Okay, epics. It's just epic after. A Newcastle pose. That's awesome, dude. In this event, that's sexy. And I have 1 pack left. And these all suck. It's not gonna be a legendary. Mother.